Alright, so now we are here in Video Express AI workflow. So I'm just gonna open a Gemini workflow and it will give you this pop-up. So here I'll say create an image prompt and a video prompt based on this MP3 video which I got from YouTube library. So here is the title of the video. All you're gonna do is just to click this plus sign and go to your files and upload the audio that you want to create an image and video image. So here is the description. Here is the scene one and all the the text image prompt, the image video prompt for each shot is written in here. So I got for the song at least 8. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, is just I'm going to copy the image prompt of this one, and then we're going to Video Express, and here on your right side just click create with AI. So here create video prompt, click this one, and I'm gonna paste here the image prompt that Gemini gave us, and then I'm going back and then place this one to the video image which is here, and then I'm just gonna paste it here, and you can choose which ratio you want. So I'm gonna do the landscape, and if you want the image type for human, then you can do the human. If you want the image 2D, image 3D, it's all depends up to you. So I'm just gonna use the image 3D, and I want to use my own character, or you wanna create a new character, well, it's all up to you. So I'm just gonna create an image, and let's wait for a second. Alright, so now there you go. So here is, I didn't use any character, so you can use this one, but for the sake of this tutorial, if you have a character, then use consistent character. Alright, so I'm gonna click this one and go to my folder. Then there you go. So for my chimps folder, I have all the characters in here. Then I can choose which that I want to use. So if I want to use her, then I'm just gonna click choose, and I'm gonna choose her for this character. So next, I'm just going to create another image for this, and let's see. So if you don't have a consistent character that you want to use for this video, then it's all up to you. Just choose the image type of your video or the characters for your video. Alright, so there he is. So the character that I use is my chimp's character, but the same as him, but I'm just gonna use this one, and then I'm just gonna create a video. Alright, so once you create a video, you will see that inside of your My Media library. So while it's creating, then you can close this and go to your media library, but I'm not gonna do that for now while it's still processing. And then I'm going back to the second scene. I'm just gonna delete this one, and let's go back to Gemini, and then I'm going to my second text image prompt, which is this one, and I'm just gonna copy this one and go back to video library, paste it here, then go back to here, and and copy the video prompt, go back to Video Express and paste it here. So same setup. I'm just gonna uncheck this one and use the same character, and then I'm just gonna create an image. So let's wait for seconds. Alright, so now as you see, guys, here you go. You can choose which that you want to use, or if you want, you can save the picture if you want to save the image. So if you choose this one, and then you can just go ahead and create a video. Alright, so now next we're going back again, and then we're just going to erase this one and also this one. Same process, guys, over and over again. Go to Gemini and go to scene 3, and you're gonna just copy the image prompt for that scene. Copy, go to Video Express and paste here, and then go back and copy the video prompt for that scene. Go back here and paste it here. Okay, make sure that you uncheck this one, so the same character, and you make an advanced mode. So we're going to create a new image for that, and let's wait for a second. Okay, so now there she is. Since there are two actors here, guys, you can add another one for this, for the reference photo. Add another one here. So I'm going here and I'm just gonna choose him as the second actor or the option. So I'm just gonna do the same thing, just create an image and let's see how it looks like. All right, there you go. So you can choose this or this one or this one if you want to. Okay, so you're gonna do the same things, guys, over and over again. Go to Gemini and copy and paste all the image prompt and the video prompt until you finish all the scenes. Okay, so now I'm going back to the Video Express, guys, and then I'm going to close this one and let's see the images that just created. Okay, so I'm going to Media Library. You go to your Media Library and from here you scroll down and find my AI videos. Okay, click this one and now as you see it's now processing. So since I finished with that, let's play with this. Alright, so there is no lyrics, so I'm just gonna drag this one over here, guys. I'm just gonna show you guys if you want to use this Video Express workstation, then go ahead, or if you want to use your own video editing software, it's all up to you. CapCut, Camtasia, you know, whatever you are using to edit your video, then you can do the same thing. And then I'm just going to drag all of this here. Then you can also use this one. Let's wait for a second. Okay, so I'm just gonna go from here and then let's see this one.
After all this time, is this it for us?
Alright, so I think I'm gonna get this one because there is the same character and I'm just gonna drag it over here. Alright, so once you finish all the things, guys, you just alright, so after you finish all of that, guys, just do the same process over and over again until you finish all the scenes for this song. You're going back to your Video Express and here, guys, you need to download the audio files that we use to create these images. So go to your media library and as you see here, there is a folder named audio. Click that folder and you have to upload the music that you just uploaded into Gemini to create those images, right? So I'm gonna click add file and I'm going to my YouTube or my folder, which is this one, and then I'm going to upload the song that I just choose to create those images. Upload that one. All right, and close it. And as you see, here is the music. So what you're gonna do is just you're gonna drag it on the top or at the bottom and just move it here. So I'm gonna play this one, guys, to see, just to show you guys how it looks like when you add your music.
Driving down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biting your tongue to call. Oh, I really should've known.
So from this part, if you want to volume down the music, what you're gonna do is just to click this one and cut it, and then play with it. Okay, maybe here. Okay, from here, where I'm going to cut this one, and only this part, I need to go to properties and make the volume down a little bit so that we can hear what he is saying. Okay, let's play with it.
Guess you were biting your tongue to call.
After all this time, is this it for us?
Alright, so that's how you can volume down the music. If there is you know, a script like what you see in here, then you can use the properties inside of these to volume down. So I'm just showing you guys how you can volume down if there is you know, a conversation between the scenes. So that's how you're gonna do it. So I will keep doing this, guys, until I finish, until the end, and then I'll show you the whole video using the YouTube music library.
Driving down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone.
us.
Then I see the signs. Oh,
You don't want to try. Your love was real, but it's over for us.
Your words! Now you can't decide.
after all this time, this was it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No.
After all this time, this is it for us.
Be with dynamite till we hit a red light.